The NS02 scanner is an innovative wearable barcode scanner designed for hands-free scanning in industrial and logistics environments. Easily pairs with Android, iOS, and Windows devices, ensuring a stable and uninterrupted connection. Equipped with a Zebra scan engine for fast, accurate barcode scanning, even on damaged or poorly printed codes. Configuring vibration, sound, or visual alerts to confirm scans can reduce errors and improve worker efficiency. Firstly, lanyard style. Easily worn on the wrist for hands-free scanning or around the neck for added comfort. Next is glove style. Wear with any glove, hands-free efficiency for both hands, and suitable for both left and right hands. Lastly, ring style. Classic wearable design, compact, lightweight, easy to wear for both hands. With IP65 industrial grade, 2M drop tested 2,000 times, withstand vehicle crush, extremely rugged and durable. Removable battery ensures non-stop operation, supporting up to 24 hours of continuous use while minimizing charging downtime. NS02 is perfect for warehousing, logistics, and manufacturing. Whether for order picking or packing, it enhances productivity with reliable hands-free scanning.